A lot of people gain weight while they travel. Let's pack this suitcase up with superfoods to avoid all that. It all comes down to this. Building good habits into your daily routine is the key to living healthy. So what do you do when you're traveling or on vacation and your whole routine gets flipped on its head? I hear this from Organifi fans all the time. Drew, I was doing so good. Then I went on a trip to this place. They serve the most amazing fatty foods. And now I'm back to where I was when I started. I get it. You're in a new exciting city. There's no farmers markets or healthy organic grocery stores around. Your favorite juice bar or smoothie bar is nowhere in sight. And you didn't even pack a blender. I don't think airport security would let you pack one anyway, right? Well, maybe they would. I've done it before. You think, it's fine, I'll just get back in shape when I get back home to my healthy lifestyle. I'm on vacation after all. But when you get back home, you may discover that you have to start all over again, breaking bad habits and forming new ones to take their place. Studies suggest that for humans, habits are the most powerful motivation. Even if prompted to react in a different way, people will tend to follow their habitual nature. If you developed a series of good, say healthy habits, you won't even have to think about it. You'll just do it automatically. One healthy choice leads to another, and so on. The greatest catalyst to building a healthy habit that I and thousands of my clients have used is simple as this. It's a glass of green juice. Not just any green juice, Organifi Green Juice. Each serving is jam-packed with 11 incredible superfoods, making it more convenient than ever to stay on top of your health goals. You just grab a scoop, just like this, put it right in the glass. It mixes up perfectly, and it's easy just to grab it and go. I can even mix it like this. Not that I haven't had any practice or anything. I take it with me when I'm traveling to make sure I'm getting the right nutrients. I drink it every single day in the morning. Helps balance me out, and this is the way to do it. You see, when I do this in the morning, it sets up a habit and it starts to cascade into other habits that I have throughout the day. Even if there isn't a health food store around you, you still can enjoy the 11 superfoods and herbs packed with vitamins, essential minerals, and it takes less than 10 seconds anywhere in the world. So, it looks like my flight is about to take off, Organifiers. I'll see you next time. I'm Drew Canoli, and I appreciate you watching this video. Travel safe, and remember, we're in this together.